Hello, Achiever. Welcome to day 1 of the 10-day calm meditation. And today's meditation is only going to be a couple minutes. Let's get started. Now, in order for us to get started, there are 3 things that I would like to gently go over. And that is number 1. I would like you to get into a space where you feel comfortable and safe, okay? And number 2, get into a position of comfort, whatever that means to you. If you want to lie down, if you want to sit in a chair, if you want to sit on the floor. And if you're sitting on the floor, just make sure you have a pillow, some sort of cushion, a blanket, or something underneath you, so that you are comfortable for the remainder or the duration of this meditation. And number 3, I am going to ask of you to close your eyes or to bring your eyes down to a soft gaze, down to your nose. And the reason why I'm asking you to do that is in the beginning of this meditation, we will be doing, we will be opening up our imagination. And our imagination is limitless when our eyes are closed versus when they are open, you're limited to what you see in front of you. And for this meditation, there's no need to have your eyes open. It's just your ears, right? All you need to do is listen, okay? So now that you are in a safe place, in a position of comfort, let's get started. Gently close your eyes or bring your eyes down to a soft gaze. I want you to imagine that you have just entered a room that you have never been in before. And as you look around this room, you see nothing but bare walls. There's no expectations in this room. There's no judgment in this room. There's no past or future in this room. It's just the moment that's in this room. And anything that happened preceding you entering this room, I will suggest that you leave that at the door. And just stay in this room for the duration of this meditation. And bring all your attention to the tip of your nose. And be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. If you are breathing fast, breathe fast. If you're breathing slow, breathe slow. Observe the air. Is it thick? Is it thin? Do you feel it, the air going in and out? Or is it just a sensation of the air going in and out? And if you are having thoughts of, am I doing this right or wrong? Be aware of the thoughts. Be aware of how it makes you feel. And don't label it. And don't judge it. Now bring your attention back to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And on each exhale, I want you to count up to 5. So when you breathe in and then out, that's 1. And if any thoughts arrive of the past or the future, be aware of them. Be aware of how they make you feel. Just sit with that for a few seconds and then bring your attention back to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And if any thoughts arise of how much longer, when is this going to be over, just be aware of it. Be aware of how it's making you feel and sit with it. Don't add to it for a couple seconds and breathe through it. Take a couple conscious breaths. Breathe in and out, in and out, and bring your shoulders down. Relax and bring your attention back to the tip of your nose. And be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And count upwards to 5 and back down to 1 on each exhale. And do not try to control your breath. Just count with the rhythm of your breath. And as we come to an end of this meditation, I want you to take 3 deep breaths in and out. And when you breathe in, I want you to breathe in calm. And when you breathe out, I want you to let go. And when you let go of your shoulders and just relax into the exhale. So breathe in, let your chest fill with air. Breathe in calm. Feel that calm enter into your chest cavity, and then let go. Let go of any worry, anxiety, any discomfort as you are relaxing your shoulders. 2 more times. Breathe in, fill your chest with calm. Bring your shoulders up as you breathe in. And now breathe out. Let go. Let go. Relax your shoulders. Let go of any discomfort, any judgment. Last time, breathe in, calm. Fill your chest with calm and just feel that. And breathe out. Let go. Let go. Let go of your shoulders. Let go of your chest and just let it naturally curve down. And just take a couple normal breaths. And when you are ready, you may open your eyes. And you have just completed day 1 of calm meditation. And remember, this is an empty room, a room with no judgment, no expectations, no good or bad, no right or wrong. The experience that you had was the best experience. Bye for now.